That cop interaction earlier was weird. I don't know, man. I'm pretty sure he saw me doing a wheelie. If not, he just saw me hauling ass, or he saw me doing both and another wheelie. I don't know. But yeah, I saw him like kind of coming around the bend there all fast, so I just ran that stop sign on and coasted up to the sidewalk. The light's not going to trigger because I'm not on the pressure plate, and there's no traffic really, so no car's going to trigger that for me. So that happens all the time here because all the lights are triggered by pressure plates, and a lot of them won't even sense my motorcycle or me. So that kind of leaves me with the option of turning right or running the light. I'm just out here testing this mic out and seeing if it sounds better now. Probably does, it might not, I don't know. It's getting annoying fucking with it. I'm gonna figure this out though. Yeah, I don't know, that cop, like, oh boy. He was like, what'd he say? Why do you have to do that? I don't know if he's talking about that as in me, like, being a hooligan, or that as in me, like, not letting him, like, fucking cut me off and fucking hold me hostage. What the fuck? Why is it so dusty? Are they doing a burnout over here? Yeah. Some shit. It's like one headlight out here.
Hey, man, can you not speed up and down the street like that?
Yes, sir.
It's a residential street.
that street's over. Someone said something. But yeah, I know it's a residential street, bro. The cops aren't on them. That's why I choose this, bruh.